Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding world. I came to this little town. This is the Northern Trader and this is the little town out in the middle. We actually have a tier 1 clear just up here. But I raided the funeral home, just trying to find places I can get schematics, and I got one schematic out of there. That was the 4x4 truck accessories. So I still need to find the chassis, if I can buy one from the trader or whatever, and then I can make a 4x4 truck. But I also thought, this is a nice big house, I might raid it while I'm here. I don't know what the proper way of entry is for this one. Is that dead corn? Yep, dead corn. Well, some live corn, but this isn't a POI I'm familiar with, so I'm just gonna have to see what happens. Is there anybody in here? I hear somebody. Come say hi. You're supposed to greet me at the door. That's the polite thing to do. Alright. I am not sure if it is because I'm still on 19.1 or what, but I'm getting some frame stutters. After we were raiding the high school and the tots, special tots the other day, or no, the Poopy Pants daycare, sorry. When I was on the way home, when I got back to the town that our house is in, I was getting some weird glitch where my bike was kind of rubber banding around, and you can see I'm getting some really bad frame stutters. I'm not sure what's causing it, but with the bike, it actually kind of bounced around a bit like I was hitting a rubber wall. Like if I just stood here and did this, it did that for a few minutes, and then the bike flew up in the air, bounced back about what I would call like half a mile, but I stayed in the same place. So I was floating in midair like I was sitting on the bike, and the bike was nowhere near me. So I had to restart the game because when I went back to where it showed the bike wasn't actually there. And it wound up actually being where it had kicked me off the bike, but I have no idea what's going on with that. I have not updated to I did update to 19.2. Apparently they put out the Sable. Okay, good to know. But I don't know if this is, a problem that's going to persist. It's not been too bad so far. The stutter is kind of annoying more than anything. But if I'm trying to fight a zombie and wind up with, massive frame drops and things, then that could be a problem. Alright, I hear you. Where are you? There you are. Bye, you are. So, lots of food and stuff in here. Hi, Edgar. Bye, Edgar. So I just wanted to check this house and see if we could maybe find some of the schematics we're looking for. Have been quite a few bookshelves, but so far, the one I found in the Amagon funeral home is the only one that I've found that is one I was looking for. I do have a chest outside with a bunch of stuff in it, and okay, so this is the other side of that. But tier 6 bow, stone spear, don't really need those. Don't know why I scrapped them, but anything behind you? Nope. What about you? Nope. And there's the lovely chimes of morning. So I thought we'd just check this town out. Haven't done much raiding here. Thought we'd check and see if there was anything Let's see if we can get a little headshot. There we go. Just to see if there was anything that would be... Oh, hi! Nope, nope, nope. Get the AK out. Right, wasn't expecting there to be a white up there. Okie dokie. And if I sound funny, I do apologize. I think I'm coming down with a cold, and I have dosed myself accordingly. So, zinc and an emergency, which is a massive dose of vitamin C. I will take those, but I seriously doubt I will use them because we've seen what happens when I play with things that go boom. Well, at least I'm getting plenty of iron to make more ammo for the junkie. I do want to see if there's anything up here. Doesn't look like it. And that's a closed attic. Okay. Who do I hear now? Maybe they're outside? Where are you trying to come in? What door are you hitting on? Ah, the front door. So, I guess that was all of this POI. Oh wait, nope, there's an upstairs. Let's wake a few people. Oh, hi! Is he getting back up or is he actually dead? Nope, he's dead. Alright, nobody in here. I do not need the coffee. Assuming nobody's hiding in here. Medical pile. Oh, tier 6 marksman. Alright then. Now, the question is there anything up there? No. Okie dokie. Hi. Excuse me, pardon me. Alright. Well, there's another bookshelf there. So maybe we'll get lucky and have something we need. Well, a pipe bomb schematic, that's one we didn't have before, so... nobody in here? Okay. That stutter is really annoying. Take that, I don't need that. Ooh-wee. And like I said, I don't know what's causing that. According to the software, I'm getting 60 FPS, no problem, but I don't know what's up with this. Alright, let's see. Anybody hiding in here? Hello? Nope, but I found their closet. Now, is that actually a little cover? Oh. Hi. Really? That's what you brought me over here for? Alright, well, found a little secret place. I guess that's always good. I got tons of stuff out of the funeral home. Some armor pieces, some military armor. I think there were a couple of steel armor pieces. But other than the 4x4 truck schematic, none of the ones I was looking for. Oh, quit stuttering like that, would you? Alright, I hear you. Where are you coming from? Over here. I missed him. Didn't miss you. Stay down, Edgar. Alright, let's see. Well, I have some of that in the crate outside, so we'll see if we can take that. If not, then no biggie. Don't need the sandwiches. Ammo. Tier 5 compound crossbow, robotic turret. I've got a tier 6 at home. I didn't switch to it, but leather boots. I know they sell for 186, but I've got other things that sell for more. Let's stick you in there for saving a space. I don't need the cloth, thanks. So, and I do have some repair kits downstairs, so. Alright, well, I think that is all of the loot out of here. Let's see if there is a way to get down without breaking my leg. No breaking the leg. There we go. Alright, so pop everything in there that I already have in there. And that is that chest full. So you can see a lot of this is just materials and things. I'm probably going to leave a lot of the materials behind. I will take the food and drinks and the bullets and the iron. But things like electrical parts and mechanical parts, I have so many at home, and I want to take the stuff that I can either use or sell. So I do want the bones. I'm going to leave those. I do want the lead and the gunpowder. Take the parts and the repair kits and the paint and the first aid stuff. I guess I should take the nitrate. And the rest of this, I will put what I can in here. And looks like we have a friend coming to say hi. So, let's see. The only thing I could think to do was just to start going through houses and seeing if I could find schematics in there. Trying to save as much space as possible. I might carry some food and, well, I'll drink that and go ahead and get rid of it. But that can go in there too. Just to make some room. I will drink that. I am a little bit thirsty anyway. I'm gonna leave those two. And the rest of this will just be what I have to carry. And then we'll just go through here and see. Hello. Okay, so the stutter is making it really hard to aim. There's a purse behind there. Medicine cabinet. Don't need any of that stuff. I will take the beaker for now, but I think I have a couple at home. Come on, guys. Come say hello. Anybody else? Nothing over there. So it looks like it wants me to go this way. There's a lot of Edgars in this house. Ooh! Knocked her flying. Hold this. Well, knocked the loot right out of her. And I will take the stock, but I will scrap those. And we'll check stuff. I'm hoping that somewhere in here is either another recipe or a schematic. And by recipe I mean like to use some of the canned stuff I have at home to make some better food. I did make some spaghetti with the pasta that we had, but I don't have any pasta left, and I think I needed something else for it. I don't remember what it was. And I have so many jars, I am not even close to concerned about them. Scrap that. Alright. Well, knocked another loot bag right out of her. Gotta love when you knock the loot bags out of them. Alright, I'm assuming that is locked. Is there anything hiding up here? Can I get in here? Doesn't look like it. Alright. Hello? Anybody in here? Well, that's a lot of doors in this house. One rotting flesh. Nope, I'm good, thanks. See what's in here. Acid. I think I have plenty at home, but I will need that for making tires. So, alright, medical pile, gunpowder. Don't see anything else. Oh, if you don't quit jerking around. Alright, I have a feeling there's going to be somebody in here. He's a crawler. Hi, buddy. She's not a crawler. Go away. Hopefully I didn't wake anybody else up, but that was an odd noise. Alright, cardboard box. Nothing up there. Alright, let's make sure everybody is reloaded before we head up here. Alright, come on, get up the stairs. Why do I have a feeling something's about to bust out of the walls and bite me? Alright, nobody over here. Don't see anybody over here. Looks like there's a few people over here. Alright, is that everybody up here? Ammo. Anything hiding in the corners? Medical pile. Some glue. Well, don't this look fun? Oh, hey, dude. Huh. Yep, never been through this house before. I think I'd remember the loot room being up here. Alright, let's scratch that. Scratch that, scrap that. One of these days I will learn the English correctly. I'm just eating a bunch of this food to make room. I know I could probably run some stuff out to the vehicle, but well, lots of ammo and some grenades. I've got vitamins at home and I've got a beaker at home, so let's see what's in the working stiff and the shamway. Battery, I've already got a wire thingy. And yes, I know that's not the technical name, but wire thingy works. Alright, so I should be full of food and water, and I have no room left. Some of this can go into the bike, but which way is my bike? That way. Well, let's just drop down and make a painting fall on my head. Well, I was gonna say this would be the quicker way out, but just knocked a hole in the wall, that's all. Alright, check the mailbox. Well, there's a book I haven't read. Robotic weapons do 10% more damage. I'll take that. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to go home and drop some stuff off. But I wanted to do this. Why do I have it? Actually, no, I don't. I don't want to do a tier 1 clear. Daycare. I don't want to do that. I want the higher tier one. So I think I'm going to head home and drop this stuff off, assuming I can find my way home. And then maybe go to the trader and see what quest he'll give us. Although, I know there's some books inside here. And I'm not sure if I've come in here and looted them before. Those say untouched. So let's check these real quick. Herbal antibiotics I did not have. Or I did. 2 I already had, and oop, 1 I already had. I don't know if there's more schematics or bookcases in here. I'm not that familiar with this POI. Hi Edgar, bye Edgar. Nothing up there. I'm not worried about the clothes. We'll just blow through. Ooh, that's landmines. How did you get to be a cheerleader if you were that graceless? I probably should have seen if any of this stuff would go into the bike before I headed in here, but oh, there's a thing there, zombie. I'm telling you, I think my brain has shut down. I'm gonna go ahead and scrap that for iron. I'll use one of those since I just got hit. And I don't need 1 steel armor piece, so clear out a little bit of room. Alright, let's see. Oh. Well, the good thing is you can kill a white with 2 hits with this club. That's kind of good to know. I may have slightly panicked. I heard the noise, and while my brain was processing that was a white making the noise, I was already in here. So, alright. Well, honey's good. But I don't really want more food. I wanted more schematics. Anybody? Okay, seriously, when I walked in here, you guys weren't in here. Where did you come from? Steel leg armor and bullets. Where are you busting in from? Are you in here? I guess not in here. I think that's technically outside. Oh, there's a couple of you. Oh, there's quite a couple of you. Come on. Alright, is that everybody? Thanks for stopping by. Alright, so I don't think there's going to be any more bookshelves in here. Go ahead, come out and play. You're probably right over my head, aren't you? No. Oh, bad time to reload. Hi, Edgar. I still hear somebody. Let's grab the box. Lockpicks. Woohoo! Tier 6 hammer, which I have no room for. I don't know who that is banging around where. Now, how do I get up there? I guess I framed my way up. Anything over there? No. I see the ammo pile up there. Again, bad time to reload. Hey, buddy. Alright, let's blow through here fairly quick. I don't think there's going to be much I need. Okay, there's an auto shotgun. Now what am I supposed to do? My inventory is full. I really don't want to get rid of any of that either. I can throw out the lead. I can always mine more. But maybe I should knock away out and put some of this stuff in the bike. We'll just drink that. Is that the... that's the living room, okay. Because I think there's a little secret thing over here. Oh good, it's trash. Hi. What are you doing down there? Nothing now. Alright, so let's see if I can get out here and drop down and put what I can in the bike. So, well, that frees up a few slots. So hopefully some of the stuff that's up there, if it's good loot, I'll be able to get it. And I'm just gonna frame my way back up. Can I jump on the corner of this? No? You're gonna be a pain? Okay. Let's get... Okay, apparently you can't put a frame on top of that. Let's get in here and see what we've got. Tier 2 military vest. Time charges. Well, there's another way for me to blow myself up. Let's get this started reloading. Ammo pile. More of those. Oh, no room in queue. That's because of the brass. And let's see what's in here. Scrap that and take that. You can scrap that as well. So, we got plenty of loot. Just, again, not the stuff I was looking for. See if there's anything hidden in the corners. Doesn't look like it. Okay, well, I'm gonna head home. I need to clear my inventory out. And let's put some of this in here if we can. A little bit. We'll let that scrap on the way home. And then I'll figure out what we're gonna do from there. This may be a bit shorter episode. I'm drinking lots of tea with honey to try and soothe my throat. I would like to kill that bear, actually. And I do not have my machete on me, so works for me. On the way here last night, overnight, there were 2 bears and I think about 5 wolves. It looked like they were having a little get together in the middle of the road. There's a intersection up here and it just looked like they were just having a little meeting in the middle of the road. Granted, there was one poor zombie in the middle of them that was getting whacked by all of them, but you know. So I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna put this stuff away, and then I will bring you back in when I've got the lovely long drive over with. Okay, I have dropped off all the stuff at home. I have two dump chests full of things that we have looted. This is the town we live in, and I was just wondering if there were some houses around here I haven't looted, and if so, if they might have some schematics. I'm not sure what the proper way in this one is, but we'll come around back here and check. Have I looted this? Well, I've looted that. Looks like I have been through here. Double check and just make sure. Yeah, looks like I've been through here, so no point in going through that again. Maybe if I don't sprint, it won't stutter as bad. I will say it did the same thing with the bike on the way back. I will try and remember to leave it on record for next time. It did not kick me back as far, and it didn't technically crash the game, but it did show me that it was less than pleased. Why for, I don't know, but I'm just trying to find like one more place we can go through really quickly today. Have I raided this one? Well, not the mailbox anyway. Let's see if we can find the proper way in. Don't know if I've been through this one here or not. I have been through it before. Hey buddy, I saw your legs over there. Come say hi. It does not look like I've been in here, so let's... Are you a cover? Doesn't look like it. Let's just blow through this real quick. Maybe we'll get lucky and find a schematic in the trash. Let me eat something. Nothing back there. When we get back to the house, I will show you the two dump chests full of loot. Armor, ammo, guns, everything. I don't think there's anything else we need in this game except for... Oh, hey buddy. I missed him and shot a hole in the wall. I ticked somebody off. Is it somebody back here? Nope. Somebody over here. I don't know where you are or what you're trying to hit, but... Trash. Lead and brass. Well, I can... Aw, empty bookshelves. I can hear them, but I don't know where they are, so... We'll just wait till they find their way in here. There they are. Sit down, Edgar. Alright, that whole stutter frame thing is starting to make me mad. Let's see what's down here. So I think I've mentioned before, my husband plays in the same room as me, and the whole ride home from the little town we were in, I kept hearing what I thought was something doing damage to the bike. You know, when you drive over a stone and it makes that particular little noise. And I thought it was something doing damage to the bike, and I think it's actually on his game. I kept looking, I mean, the bike was at 90%, so I thought whatever it was damaging it, but... Alright, let's make sure we finish this floor before we head down. Antibiotics, nothing up there. Oh, is that everything through here? Looks like. This is where I came down, that's outside. Okay, so, there are some doors over here. I missed. Didn't miss that time. Check the trash. Bones are good. Hey, buddy. You trying to get out? Too bad. I'm leery of half of these floors. Just waiting for them to give out under me. Anybody hiding in here? Nothing up there, and just a bag up there. Okay. Where was the way downstairs? Well, let's go ahead and get this out. Okay. I recognize this house from watching other people's videos when they would go through it. I don't need the beer. I'll go ahead and drink the coffee. That is a working vending machine. Is there anything up here hiding with you guys? No. Well, that's a disgusting sight to walk into. Destroyed workbench. Oh, level 4 impact driver. And a working chem station, which I'm still going to dismantle. Take all the goodies home with me. Might even grab the cement since there's a pile of it. Let's get reloaded. Puffer coat and cloth I don't really need. Well, I'm guessing there's a medical pile hidden behind there. Alright guys, come around here and say hi. Hello. Hi. Cardboard box. Another cardboard box with nothing. Anybody else in here? Destroyed generator. Anything back here? Doesn't look like. So I'm assuming I have to go through here. And I'm also assuming there's going to be badness at the other end. Or not. Alright, weapons bag. Hunting knife, machete, and ammo. Don't need those. I will take the fort bites. Not that I remember to use them, so one of these days I just need to load them up and take them down to the trader. Steel boots. Blueberry pie, I'll eat that, thank you. And a scope. SWAT helmet with a helmet light. Fireman's Almanac, Volume 2. 25% more damage to blocks, 25% less damage to enemies. Alright. Let's drink that. Get rid of you and take you. Is there anything hiding behind there? No. So, looks like I have to dig my way out. Okay, well that was a fun little excursion. Scrap that, I don't need the paper. I think I've already gotten the skate park for all of its cement and everything, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to head home. I might mark this house here because I don't think I've looted it and I just ran into their mailbox, so I really should leave them a note. But I'm going to head home and drop this stuff off. I want to show you, hey, there's another bear. show you the 2 dump chests full of all the loot that we have gotten over the last 2 days, 2 or 3 days. And then I think I'm going to end the episode there. I'll get up here, and these 2 chests here are full of stuff. Everything from mods to tools to ammo to, well, everything. That is 2 chests full. And a lot of this will be stuff for the trader. I have a better axe, I have a better shovel. I could switch to the steel armor that I have found quite a lot of. I found tier 6 leg armor. But I haven't found the schematic, and I can't make the steel chest. Oh, apparently I have found the schematic. When did I find that? So maybe we'll make ourselves a set. It does mean we lose 1 mod slot on our armor, but, you know, I think I have heavy armor maxed out, so I'm not too worried about that. Obviously I prefer to have tier 5 on, or tier 6 on everything, but I'm not too concerned. As I have that point, I do want to put it in better barter. So I think I'm going to leave this here. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. And I hope I see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.